This is the easiest heater to use. It's big, it's powerful, and it will heat all 4 or 5 rooms around. If you open up all the doors and turn it up, it will heat everything nice. So this one is quite easy. Okay, it's got a big power button here. Let's turn it on. There you go. That's pretty much it. Plus and minus. Shows you the temperature you want. We like to leave it on 20. And now it is flashing, which means it's getting ready to go. And it will just start. By the way, just in case, this is the high sign, which means there's too much carbon monoxide in the air. And you need to turn off the heater and open a window, which probably will never happen in this house. And then this means you're out of fuel or running out of fuel, and it will beep at you as you're running out of fuel. Everything else you don't really need to touch, but if you do, it's not really going to make a big difference. There are a couple different settings, but they're all pretty easy to understand. This one is showing you the temperature. The other setting, if you accidentally put it on it, will show you the power strength from essentially 12 or so to about 25. Just shows you how much fuel it's using. And now it started to hum at me, and in a minute we're about to see the blue flame. There you go. There's your powerful blue flame heater, and that's going to heat up not just this room, but this room, that room, and this room, all these rooms. If you leave the doors open, everything, and then the kitchen has its own heater, everything will be very nice. Okay, here we're going to learn how to use this heater. This is a very warm heater. It's the heater in the kitchen. And the first thing you need to do is you need to go up here and grab called a Japanese chakka. It's a big long lighter. We're going to use this. Okay, so here we are in front of it, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn it up to the light position all the way, and we're going to open this up. And now it's kind of stuck up. Now you can just get that lighter, light it, it lights, put it down, and you're lit. You're good to go. And that's how you light the stove. Now you can see there is a teapot on the stove, and that means it gets very hot. You boil your tea on that. Keeps the room humid and nice. Please make sure you put back this up here. And to turn this thing off, it's quite easy. You go here, turn it all the way down to off, and it'll turn off by itself. If you don't turn it all the way down though, it won't go off. There you go. That's how you do the heater in this room. Okay, now we're going to learn how to turn this guy on. This is a fan heater. Okay, it's got the power button. We turn it on, and that's pretty much it. It's going to turn on now. If you want it to go faster, turn on faster, you press that. And everything else is pretty much automatic. It's going to take it about 2 or 3 minutes to warm up and start. And when you want to turn it off, you press that button to turn it off. If it runs out of fuel, it'll beep and start flashing at you. And then you just take this, pull the tank out, and follow the video from before to learn how to refill the tank. After you refill the tank, you'll have to turn it off and turn it back on. Otherwise, it'll still think it's out of fuel. We've turned it on now, and we're waiting for it to start. Notice this countdown here, 3, 2, and when that gets to 0, it will be ready, it will have primed itself, and it will start. And now it's starting up. And you can hear it lighting. And there it's lit, and now the hot air is coming out here. There'll be a little bit of a smell, the kerosene smell in the beginning, but that will go away. You can also, if you look here at the control panel, see how it's set on 20 degrees in automatic. And you can actually increase this by going like this. That's on 24 degrees. Yeah. So we recommend keeping it about 20. And when you're done, just press off and you're done. And this heater is very easy to use.